Once upon a time, in a quiet corner of the enchanted forest, lived a little dormouse. His name was Dandy, known for his soft fur and twinkling eyes. One chilly evening, Dandy felt a bit lonely. He looked around his cozy nest, but all his friends were asleep. So, he decided to take a walk. As he strolled, he noticed the stars twinkling brightly above, like tiny diamonds scattered across the sky. He felt a sense of wonder filling his heart. Suddenly, he heard a soft whisper. It was the wind rustling the leaves, singing a lullaby. Dandy stopped and listened, feeling a warm comfort wash over him. He walked further into the forest, following the sound. He came across a small pond, where the moonlight danced upon the water. The sight was so beautiful, it took his breath away. He sat down on a soft mossy rock, feeling the coolness seep through his tiny paws. He looked up at the stars, listening to the wind's lullaby. He felt a peaceful sleepiness coming over him. Just then, he heard a tiny voice, "Dandy, it's time to rest." It was his mother, who had been following him all along. She helped him back to his nest, tucking him in with a soft goodnight kiss. Dandy closed his eyes, feeling safe and loved. He drifted off to sleep, dreaming of another night filled with stars and lullabies. The end.